Keputusan Menteri Energi dan Sumber Daya Mineral Republik Indonesia nomor 84.K/ME/B/2024 tentang perubahan atas Keputusan Menteri Energi dan Sumber Daya Mineral nomor 373.ME/B/2023 tentang pedoman pelaksanaan penyusunan, evaluasi, dan persetujuan rencana kerja dan anggaran biaya pada kegiatan usaha pertambangan mineral dan batubara. Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources of the Republic of Indonesia number 84.K/ME/B/2024 concerning amendments to the Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources number 373.K/MB.1/MEM/B/2023 concerning guidelines for the preparation, evaluation, and approval of works plan and budget in mineral and coal mining business activities. Dengan rahmat Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, by the grace of God Almighty, Menteri Energi dan Sumber Daya Mineral Republik Indonesia, Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources of the Republic of Indonesia. Kriteria dasar atau essential aspek evaluasi dokumen RKAB tahap kegiatan eksplorasi, basic or essential criteria for evaluation aspects of works plan documents and cost budget for the exploration activity stage. Number aspek kriteria evaluasi, evaluation kriteria, keterangan information. 1. Administration. 1. IUP (UUPK) tahap kegiatan eksplorasi telah terdaftar di Minerba One Data Indonesia MODI. Mining Business Permit Special Mining Business Permit for the exploration activity state has been registered with Minerba One Data Indonesia MODI sesuai dengan matriks 1 lampiran 1 Kepmen ESDM 373.1/MEM-B/2023 in accordance with Metric 1 Attachment 1 of the Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources (373.K/MB.1/MEM.B/2023). 2. Data susunan direksi dan komisaris terdaftar di Minerba One Data Indonesia MODI. Data on the composition of the board of directors and commissioners is registered in Minerba One Data Indonesia MODI. 2. Eksplorasi sumber daya dan cadangan, exploration resources and reserves. 1. Neraca sumber daya dan cadangan mencantumkan cut-off perhitungan data. The resource and reserves balance sheet lists the cut-off for data calculation sesuai dengan matriks 2A, 2B, 2C, 3, 4 lampiran 1 Kepmen SDM 373.K/MB.01/MEM-B/2023 in accordance with Matrix 2A, 2B, 2C, 3, 4 of Attainment 1 of the Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources 373.K /MB.1/MEM.B/2023 dalam hal data sumber daya dan cadangan pada laporan akhir eksplorasi dan persetujuan akhir studi kelayakan yang telah ada belum diestimasi oleh kompeten person Indonesia, maka harus dilampirkan laporan estimasi sumber daya dan cadangan oleh kompeten person Indonesia. Competent person Indonesia in the case that the resource and reserve data in the final exploration report and final approval of the existing feasibility study have not been estimated by the competent person Indonesia, then a resources and reserve estimation report by the competent person Indonesia must be attached. Tiga, keselamatan pertambangan, mining safety. Memiliki KTT sementara atau pejabat KTT yang telah mendapatkan pengesahan dan have a head of mining engineering, temporary head of mining engineering, or acting head of mining engineering who has received approval and A. Golongan mineral logam Matrix 1 dan 10C, metal mineral group Matrix 1 and 10C. Dua, memiliki program keselamatan pertambangan sesuai dengan ketentuan peraturan perundang-undangan. Have a mining safety program in accordance with statutory provisions. B. Golongan mineral bukan logam Matrix 1 dan 9C, non-metallic mineral group Matrix 1 and 9C. C. Golongan batuan Matrix 1 dan 7C, rock group Matrix 1 and 7C. D. Golongan batubara Matrix 1 dan 9C, coal group Matrix 1 and 9C. Lampiran 1 Kepmen SDM 373.K garis miring MB.01 garis miring MEM.B garis miring 2023. Attachment 1 to the Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources 373.K /MEM.B/2023. 4. Keuangan finance tidak menjaminkan izin dan atau komoditas tambangnya, does not guarantee mining permits and or commodities. A. Golongan mineral logam Matrix 20, metal mineral group Matrix 20. B. Golongan mineral bukan logam Matrix 19, non-metallic mineral group Matrix 19. C. Golongan batuan Matrix 14, rock group Matrix 14. D. Golongan batubara Matrix 19, coal group Matrix 19. Lampiran 1 Kepmen SDM 373.K garis miring MEM.01 garis miring MEM.B garis miring 2023. Attachment 2 of the Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources 373.K MB.1/MEM.B/2023. 5. Kewajiban PNBP Non-Tax State Revenue Obligations. Menyelesaikan seluruh piutang PNBP iuran tetap, settling all non-tax state revenue receivables, fixed contribution. A. Golongan mineral logam matrik 18, metal mineral group metrik 18. B. Golongan mineral bukan logam matrik 17, non-metal mineral group metrik 17. Golongan batuan matrik 12, rock group metrik 12. D. Golongan batubara matrik 17, coal group metrik 17. Lampiran 1 Kepmen ESDM 373.MB-MAM-B-2023. Attainment 1 of the Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources 300.key/MB.1/MEM/B/2023. Menteri Energi dan Sumber Daya Mineral Republik Indonesia, Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources of the Republic of Indonesia. Tanda tangan dari Said Arifin Tasrif. Salinan sesuai dengan aslinya, Kementerian Energi dan Sumber Daya Mineral, Kepala Biro. Copy of the original, Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources, Biro Saif Bambang Sujito. Salim ST bin Abdurrahim Nasution, pendiri UANM Universitas Agus Salim Nasution Mandailing, the founder of ANMU Agus Salim Nasution Mandailing University. Terima kasih, thank you, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.